Hi guys, what influences success in any field? Let's break it down. So the first, just start. No matter what you want to do in this life, just start no matter your inner insecurities. At least try for a while because if you don't try, you will suffer and regret it all your life. Save yourself from this torment and just try. Are you waiting for a good moment? The perfect moment will not come. Understand, life is not eternal. You can't get back the lost time. Second, act wisely. You just think. You are young, you have strength, time. Work on your life for 5 to 10 years and then enjoy the fruits of your labor for the rest of your life. Buy apartments, cars, travel a lot, do charity work. Do what you dreamed of, don't put your life on hold. Then it's too late before you know it. Life flies by. You say it's hard? It's hard to build buildings. It's hard to save lives. No one knows how much time they have. Let it be a spur to action for you. Let it be a motivation for you. Set yourself a time to achieve your goal and achieve it. Use the potential that God gave you because your existence is not accidental. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because we learn from mistakes, and I'm no exception. I too get distracted by social networks. I also have the desire to put things off for later. It's normal. Just try, have a good rest, and benefit from social networks. For example, I watch videos on self development, business, travel. I also watch entertaining videos, vlogs, because it's also necessary. You can only imagine how lucky we are. Before, to learn even this information, how much time it would take. And now the sources of information are open and most of them are free. You can learn everything, languages for free, information about business, etc. etc. And this is great, but I don't understand people who, if they paid for these services, they would spend hours without any problems to develop themselves. But when it comes to them for free, friends, success is not archery, it's a marathon. Keep moving forward no matter what. Remember, consistency is the key to success. When I talk about self development, I don't mean reading for several hours, although it happened to me because books are a different world. About books and those that I read, I will make a separate video, or run for 2 hours. No, self development is when you listen to an audiobook, read as much as you want, do your physical health or something else that is good for you. That you don't waste your most valuable asset, your time. Guys, a lot of videos will be released, so if you somehow helped, please appreciate my work with your likes and comments and subscribe to the channel. If you have any ideas to improve the content, be sure to write, because for me, feedback is very important. Well, this was my first video. With you was me, Grant. Remember, you are the best, and see you next time.